Top 5 pronunciations, episode 11. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we'll continue with the 11th episode of print-on-demand niche research. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche I'm going to begin with is, of course, the St. Patrick's Day niche. If you've not uploaded your designs into the St. Patrick's Day niche up to now, I think you're kind of running slim on time because St. Patrick's Day is almost here. And as you would imagine, sales are soaring. And I'm going to show you three sales or three designs uh, whose sales are soaring, and maybe you can make designs which are similar to that. So this is the first design I'm talking about. This one is very different from what we usually see. This one is a four-leaf clover, and in that four-leaf clover you see that there's different kinds of game controllers in it, different sorts of game controllers. If you're a game lover, you must have used most of this, if not all of it. So it's a mixture of the gaming niche and the St. Patrick's Day niche together with the Shamrock. So there you have it. It's priced at $19.97, 357 sales, 2 reviews, and take a look at this. So overall trend is up, current trend is up, and you can look at that BSR is already approaching 1. So that shows you the number of times people have bought it and are still buying it. So here are the keywords that you can use, and here are similar designs from the same brand. So this one is white, on top it was green. Yes, it was green. And the clover right there here is white. This one is a hat with the same. I'm sure this was for Valentine's Day also, if I'm not mistaken. So you see there's a pattern here. If something is selling, you make that design different ways for different niches. Niches like St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, they come every year. So if your designs are great, every year they're going to sell and sell in great numbers because people always do a ton of buying during those periods. So there you have it. This is the second design in St. Patrick's Day niche. This one is shamrock boobs. You just take two shamrocks and place it on the t-shirt, space it out, and it's kind of funny. I think many women are gonna purchase this uh, because it's a funny design. Let's scroll down, take a look at the BSR. Here are the keywords that you can use from the same brand. This one is on a dark shade. It's also selling. So let's go to the third design, still in the St. Patrick's Day niche. This one is a cover, but related with a stethoscope. So this is for nurses or those in the healthcare field who are celebrating St. Patrick's Day. So let's scroll down and see. Look at this. The BSR overall trend up, current trend up. So it's closely approaching 1. Here are the keywords that you can use, and here are similar designs that you can pick it back from. Oh, so this one says hashtag nurse. So this is for nurse. Maybe you can have, is this selling? So it sales. Not that good. But if it was doing extremely well, I would have recommended that maybe you hashtag your own. Maybe hashtag doctor, hashtag pharmacist, hashtag anything, any profession in the healthcare field. I think this will really be great. But it's been selling though. All right, so that's it for the St. Patrick's Day niche. Let's move on to the second niche of the day. Is this t-shirt design? They see me rolling, they hitting. So if you're familiar with, I think it's 50 Cent, yeah, 50 Cent's lyrics, the artist 50 Cent, this is one of his lyrics. So this is for those who are hating on you. It's a design. Someone just got the lyrics of the word. Though I wouldn't advise you to do that, but apparently the shirt is doing well. And in this case, it's a cart, a golf cart, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Everyone needs a true golfer. So this is apparently for those who are golfers and people are hating on them. they will likely get shirts like this. So apparently it's doing well. Look at this. The BSR, it keeps on dropping, and it's priced at 16.95, 204 sales, over 111 reviews. So wow, the BSR has been undulating up and down, up and down, up and down. So overall trend is up, but current trend is down. Here are the keywords you can use, and here are other keywords or other similar designs from the same brand. All right, moving on to the third niche of the day is this plant lovers or gardener t-shirt. It says pothead. Now you know people always refer to others as potheads if they maybe they take weed or something like that, or if they smoke in general. But this case is actually pots, flower pots. So it's a funny design for those who love gardening, those who are vegans, anything that has to do with plants. And yeah, it's a good t-shirt for them. 96 sales, 19.99 price. Wow, that's like about $5 royalty right there, which is not bad. Now look at this. The BSR has also been going up and down, and look at the current trend up. Overall trend is up. So going down, here are the keywords you can use and other designs that you can take a look at. The fourth niche of the day is this design. It's for black women. It says Black Queen Lady. I am who I am. Your approval isn't needed. So this is a kind of motivational design for black women, to be specific, and women with curls in general. That you're who you are. No one's approval is needed. So I think this is a really great design, especially during this period of Black History Month. Yeah, so many people are purchasing this. And let's look at the BSR, up and down, up and down, up and down. Overall BSL up, current trend down, and look at this. 16.99, 199 sales, 396 reviews. Wow, not bad. Alright, so these are different designs from the same brand. Let's move over to the next niche. So actually this is the last niche of the day. I think I gave one extra bonus or something. Yeah. So I decided to do more than usual, like show you a single design for one niche. I decided to just throw in some extras just for your viewing sake and getting more ideas, you know what I mean? All right, moving on to the next niche. I got vaccinated, but I still want some of you to stay away from me. So this is funny. This is a mixture between funny niches and vaccination niche. Right now vaccination is going on, people are getting vaccinated. So anything related to vaccination and COVID in general, it's a good niche, but you should be careful if you're tagging your shirt as COVID on Reg by Amazon. You will definitely get a rejection. So if you can see here, the bullet point has nothing to do with COVID, nothing of that sort. And all it says is funny, vaccine, shot, all of that. Nurses, yeah. So this person was just going all and all about video games. This has nothing to do with video games. I'm guessing because video game designs are selling. Let me put it like that. That's why they put video games here, video game players, which I won't advise you to do because your shirt can be showing up for keywords which is not supposed to show up for. And the more people keep passing it by, that's the more your shirt is going to keep on being sent down and down the algorithm. Because when people view your shirt and they don't click on it, the algorithm is like, all right, maybe this shirt isn't a great design. Maybe this shirt doesn't have a great design. So let's keep shoving it down and down the algorithm. And that's how your shirt will just get lost. So I wouldn't advise you to put keywords which are not related to your design, like this one right here. So this design price 19.99, 186 sales, 26 reviews. It's a great shirt talking about vaccination, and it's kind of funny for those who are also introverts, people who just want others to just stay away from them in general. So here's the BSR overall trend up, current trend down, and the BSR has been steady. Looks like it wants to drop here, But overall, it's a great niche. Let's look at the keywords that you can use and other designs which are selling. Oh, these are designs from the same brand. Let's see what they have here. Oh, all they did was they put it on. I'm guessing this is a sweatshirt and maybe a t-shirt. And this one is definitely a hoodie. It has sold a couple of times, but not that much. And this one hasn't sold that well. So obviously it's doing better on a t-shirt than on other products. And that's what I would advise you to do. If you find a design selling well for you, I would recommend that instead of looking for other designs which are new and you're not sure if it's going to do well, I recommend that you first of all start by expanding the number of spaces that that current design is listed under. Because you have a better chance of it selling on other designs than you making a sale from a new design. So you should do both of them quite alright, but I'll recommend that you first of all start by expanding the number of designs that your current design is selling under if it's making sales. Then you can go to listing new designs which you're not sure is going to sell or not. So that's just an extra tip for you there. Moving on to our bonus niche of the day is this one. I saw it, it was so funny. I decided to add it into this niche. So it says, I think you're overreacting. You know, when maybe you say something and someone just goes off on you and you're like, wow, I really think you're overreacting. So that's just what is happening here. In this case, it's test tubes with chemical reactions taking place. And one of them, the one in red, is like, is overreacting, and the other one is like, I think you're overreacting. So I think that's funny, and I think it's also a great gift for science lovers, a great gift for chemistry lovers, science nerds in general. Just like it says here, uh, perfect as a gift idea for all who love chemistry, wordplay, science nerds, and more. So yeah, so I think it's a great design. It's been doing great. Wow! Oh my goodness! So look at this. Uh-huh. This is a really deep fall BSR, then it just kept on a deep increase in BSR, then it just kept on falling and falling and falling, and it's projected to fall more. So the current trend is up. Wow, I didn't expect to see that. So over 1999, 19.95 price, 122 sales, and 768 reviews. Well, that means it has been here. This design has been here for a while. Let me see. 2017, there you go. Those are like 768 reviews. Wow, that's a long time to be benefiting from just one design, don't you think? That's why that's one reason why I love print on demand in general, because when you just upload your design and you hit a jackpot, let me put it like that, that design can make you money for years to come without you doing anything customer service. You're just there to receive your royalty. I'm talking about merch by Amazon to be specific. So that's one of the reasons why I'm doing print on demand. Anyway, that was just an aside. Let's go down to the keywords that you can use for this design. So it has overreacting, chemistry, nerd, science, and all the like. All right, so here are these similar designs from the same brand. All right, so he placed it or she placed it on a hoodie and it's also doing well. So guys, that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.